The Toyota Tundra is exclusively manufactured at Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Texas, located in San Antonio, Texas. This massive facility spans over 2 million square feet on more than 2,000 acres, employing over 3,200 workers. Toyota consolidated all Tundra production to this single location in 2008, moving from a previous dual-location manufacturing setup. The third-generation Tundra launched in 2021 as a 2022 model year vehicle. Toyota invested $391 million in facility upgrades to support this new generation. The San Antonio facility operates under the Toyota production system, emphasizing just-in-time manufacturing, continuous improvement through Kaizen, and lean manufacturing principles. This efficient production system ensures high quality and minimal waste, making the San Antonio facility one of Toyota's most successful manufacturing operations globally. The Toyota Tundra's manufacturing history spans over 2 decades, with strategic relocations that shaped its current production model. From 2000 to 2006, the first-generation Tundra was manufactured exclusively at Toyota's Princeton, Indiana facility. During 2007 and 2008, second-generation production was split between the Indiana facility and the new Texas plant as Toyota transitioned manufacturing locations. Since 2008, all Tundra production has been consolidated at the San Antonio, Texas facility, creating a more efficient single-location manufacturing strategy. Toyota chose Texas for several strategic advantages that made it ideal for Tundra production. The Texas location provides strategic positioning for North American market access, a skilled workforce, attractive state incentives, and close proximity to key suppliers. Looking ahead, Toyota is investing heavily in electrification technology for the Tundra lineup. Toyota has announced plans for hybrid and electric Tundra variants, with significant ongoing investment in battery technology and electric vehicle infrastructure at the San Antonio plant. The San Antonio facility maintains an annual production capacity of approximately 200,000 vehicles, which is shared between Tundra and Tacoma production lines. This strategic evolution from multiple facilities to a single, highly efficient Texas operation positions Toyota for both current market demands and future electrification goals.